Hey, in this quick video, I'll show you how to work with the funnels and how they can change your business overnight. The magic of the funnels, and they're so simple. There is absolutely nothing, complex about them. They're really easy to use. And what is a funnel? Basically, these are pages connected together. This is a few pages in a specific order that are, the idea of the pages is about the flow of the person. So if you have a campaign for, you want to promote a specific thing, the page is all about that thing. There is no distractions, there is no navigation on top or the bottom to lead person outside of the flow that you want. So yeah, this is it, very simple. One specific goal follows a specific flow, and you can also do A/B testing. So you can test out different things such as headlines, videos, images about the page, and actually see if A or B version is converting better. So which people are clicking more, the ones with the video or the ones with the images. That's a simple test that you can do. And you can do simple checkouts with the funnels. You can have one-step funnel where one-step checkout where a person can purchase the product. No add to cart, no distractions, no things that people can lose them throughout the whole process, because you simplify the process of where they're going from. And this is a small graph that I created. So basically a website. What do you have? A homepage, navigation, call to action, footer links, and yeah, that's about it. There is so many different pages. Obviously, the website is great for showing, helping people to find the information they're looking about your business, which is great. Easy navigation, easy call to actions, more information in the footer, important parts, but they're not optimized for the actual conversion and of a specific thing. This is where the funnels are so amazing. So you have a product page where everything is focused about that product. You have then the second step, the flow. This is the flow, basically linear. This is more like a tree, and this is linear. And about the product in the landing page, the second step, which is capturing actually the action of getting the information from the customer or submitting the payment. Then you can add whatever step you want, a thank you page, an upsell page if you want to upsell a different product after checkout, depending on what kind of funnel. And you can build a different all sorts of different flows this way. And again, this is about giving more information and finding people finding specific information easily. And this is about the flow, the customer journey, and when you want a customer to perform a specific action, to submit a payment or to submit a form, to promote something, this is the best way. Basically, these are two different things for two different goals that you're trying to achieve. And yeah, let's go inside and see them in action. Let's see how they actually work and what is so amazing about each one of them and how easy they are. So yeah, this is, again, we're inside a website. Again, website, navigation, easy to find the information they're looking for. Again, your landing page has to be like the homepage has to be a landing page where people can easily get to the next step, just like a funnel. Now I'll show you how you can actually do that as well. But let's say that you have a business and you want to start, let's say share a link to Facebook about people signing up for your next event. Let's say something like this. You think it's good to send them directly into your website and then to figure out how to find it, or to send them to a landing page. Yeah, landing page is great, but the funnel is just like a step further, just because you can hide the headlines. For example, you can hide the header and the footer. You can also what you can do is you can also add different steps, and you can test out A/B test where the landing page is just one page. It's basically a page. It's nothing else. But the funnel is like an upgrade, something else that you can do. So let's create our first funnel for lead generation, that we want to promote something on let's say social media. And yeah, before we go that, so when anywhere, any market or anything or any campaign that you're doing, for example for paid traffic, you'll see that everybody is doing a specific landing page for that action. So instead of sending people directly to a home page where they can have to find themselves the information, you just direct them exactly to what they're looking for, and to maximize the chance of them completing the goal. That's why funnels in some cases have 5-10 times better conversion, 5-10 times better conversion. So this is why they're so amazing. So we have here lead generation, about capturing people info. You have like home type of funnels, which can be just like a home page with one goal, basically to collect their information or submit a payment. It really depends what kind of a goal you have for your funnel. If it's let's say that you want to promote I don't know, your new book, for example, and you want people to sign up and get your book. So you have different types of funnels. Let's see. For example, it will be great with a lead magnet. Let's say that you want people to submit their information and then get let's say a part of your book. So here we have a great example of that. We have a page that is about 7 ways to get in shape in 30 days, for example. And as you can see, there is no distractions. Everything is about getting the book. And after that, you just have a pop-up where people will be submitting the information. So let's add this funnel. It's about lead magnet. Let's call it lead magnet because this is called a lead magnet. People submitting information in order to get something in return. So all the call to actions will go to the next step. And the next step would be a pop-up in this case. So this is a classic way of showing pop-ups as well. So whoever clicks on the button goes to the pop-up where they can enter their email, and after they submit their email, they'll go to the download page and just download the book that they've just submitted their information for. That's it. Very simple, but it is very focused about that thing. You don't have a header like this where people, when you land on this page, to click on about me or click on something else to get distracted by. It's all about that thing. And trust me, like this, you'll get at least 2-3 times more people clicking and getting the book, meaning that 2-3 times at least people getting more. You get more people to sign up and get their information about from this by sending them to a funnel, because it is so about the conversion. Same goes for the funnels, for the sales funnels. If you want to sell a product, you do not send them just to like a page with hundreds of products that they can wonder about. You send them to a page specific about that product. If it's, let's say it's a book about purchasing a book, you just add some name to it, and just like that, we've created a highly converting sales funnel for selling a book. Obviously that can be any type of product, but it is specific about that. You have the headlines, the images, the information about testimonials, all about that thing that you're trying to sell, whatever it is. And as you can see, everywhere the call to action is the same, and when somebody clicks on the button, they'll just directly go into the checkout. Like I said, simplest checkout ever. So you can have just enough information from the customer to submit the payment right away. You can add different things and conversion boosters, such as you can completely edit here. You can add a video, change the text, add different badges and so on, testimonials as well, to maximize the conversion. So everything is made so that you get the most of your traffic. And when somebody submits the payment, you just go into the thank you page. If you want to do an upsell, let's say they purchased a book, you want to buy small, I don't know, like extra edition, you can just add an upsell and downsell. You just click on a page and you just add something else that you want to sell with that. And when somebody purchases, and with one click they can purchase another thing. Super simple and easy. So we have a whole video about sales funnels and another video for lead generation, for lead magnets, about every types of funnel. But this is just a small quick overview how you can use them and how they are so amazing. And it can be used inside your website and or outside of the website, just like for a specific project. But yeah, they're so great for inside the website when you're doing for your business, for any business, because they're focused on that specific goal. And they're so beautiful and already have all the steps necessary to do amazing online. So you don't have to wonder what kind of step do I need, what kind of design do I need, because we have it all designed and it is made by professionals on how to get the most of your traffic, because we want you to be successful. And so just to finalize, also you can split test your pages on your website too. So you have this homepage for your website, but you want to test out different things. So you want to test out different button name or different headlines, which is so important. In some cases, you might have drastical, many times more conversions by changing a headline. Trust me, there is some cases where you get times more signups, calls just by changing a few text. It can have amazing impact. So how do you do that? How do I split test this page, for example? It's really simple. You just have to create a new funnel, and let's make it an empty one. Let's go with home funnel. And the idea here is that we create a new funnel, and inside we are going to be adding this page, and we are just going to do A/B testing. That's it. So we have to go into the funnel settings. When you go here, you'll see the steps, and just click on funnel settings and make this funnel as a home page. So this will make it so that everybody who lands on it, on your domain, basically will be inside the funnel, just like a home page. And now all we have to do is move our home page inside our funnel. So actually the 3 dots, move to funnel, and select here the home funnel. That's it. So we just move that page there and just make it numbered 1. So this means that this page is now the first step of this funnel, which is a home one. So that's it. Now you can do an A/B testing, duplicate, and that's it. You could go to the B version and test out the headline. You can just test it out with something else. You can make it inside the middle of the page, and maybe that would have a better impact. Whatever you wish, you can fully modify the way the page looks to see what might be converting better. But mainly the things that do the most is changing headlines, adding maybe a video here, different types of graphics that can have amazing impact for your business. And if you go here in the funnels and in the steps, and you can click on the A version and go back and edit the other version of the page. This is it. This is how simple it is, and it is so powerful. And as you can see, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes to do an A/B testing, but that can result in maybe hundreds of new leads that you might lost because your page was not optimized for that. So these are tricks that that are so powerful. Yet before it was so easy to do, but now, as you can see, it's so really simple. In order for you to actually track how a page is performing, obviously you have to add a step here where whoever clicks on this button has to go somewhere. So if you have such page, just move it again from the list. You just move it, let's say the appointment, just move to funnel and just select the home funnel. We have a lot of funnel, that's why there is so many names here, but you have just a few. If you don't have such a page, if you're just building now, just click on add new step, click on a page or a pop-up if you want to add a pop-up, and just select a page for contact, for example, where people can submit their data, their information. So let's say something like this, add some name, contact, and just like that we've added our contact page as well. And we can hide, or actually we can leave the headline because here is more like this, and we can have different sections. We can delete different sections, and just like that we've created our small funnel about homepage, contact, and actually we can add a thank you page as well, because after somebody submits, maybe we just want to see how many people actually submitted on the form. So you can just add something like this, thank you, and that's it. We just created an A/B test of our homepage with a different headline. We just added a contact page where people can submit their information, and we added a thank you page. So now we can see in real time how many people converted from one of the 2 tests, how many people submitted the form, by how many people went to the thank you page. That's it. This is how simple it is, yet it can change your business really overnight. So when somebody submits a form, don't forget that you always go to that engage section, so you can easily manage all the leads and contacts coming from all your forms, all your store products that you've sold, checkout widgets, whatever. So you can easily manage all the information, and they have profiles and everything. So this is a really simple and easy way to do all that from one place. So this is how simple it is to do A/B testing and how to use your funnels to change your business overnight. And I promise you, they have such a great impact. That's why they're so we focus so much on that, because they really change businesses, and that's why we created them. A website is great, but if you cannot test different things, if you just send people directly into your website when you're doing different campaigns, it's really not the optimized way. When you do a specific landing page and a funnel in this case for a specific campaign, I guarantee you have a lot better results, a lot better. In some cases, like I said, 3, 4, 5 times better results times. So you get 500%, for example, more sales or more leads. It really depends on the funnel and the optimization and the traffic, but yeah, we've seen such results. And actually I can show you here a few examples of funnels of some of our customers. Actually, let me switch. So this is a sales funnel of a customer. In just 2 months, they made more than 600% increase in sales just by using sales funnels. In this case, they're in their home landing page. They have a few products. That's why you have so many checkouts, and they sold quite a lot, and yeah, 600%, actually 42% more than normal e-commerce, because each page, each checkout is personalized for that product, and it took them no more than a few hours to set up everything. It is that simple, and they get like basically like 20k more in sales. So it's crazy. Here is about a different customer that we have about selling digital book. So they have a great, different steps with different things, and they sold more than almost 20k in 45 days of their book. And as you can see, they have some down sales and A/B testing that they are testing out, and experimenting and see which one actually. As you can see, this one, obviously the B version of the upsell, actually converted a lot more, so it's a great version. So they obviously have to leave that one on, as it's actually 3 times more sales. So really awesome way. This is another customer that has different sales for different. They actually have 9 different sales funnels, because they do different types of products, small products that they purchase and just resell them to their customers, and each one is generating anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. So it's really amazing, and they are generating so much sales this way. And this is only about sales funnels. Obviously the funnels can be for anything, for for lead generation, for webinar, for promotional, whatever it is. As you saw, it is great for any type of purpose, and that's why they're made. We wanted you to have the best thing in order to get the most of your business online. And we have, again, below this video, there is links about different types of funnels that you can build, and specifically about a sales funnel, about membership funnel, about lead generation, lead magnets, webinar funnels. We have videos on all that in more details, but this is just a quick overview why they're so amazing and how you can quickly use them and experiment with them right now, and have amazing results today and tomorrow, and you can see how it basically transforms your business. So this is it. I hope that you enjoyed the funnels. Let me know if you have any questions, and it will be awesome if you check the other videos as well. I think they'll be amazing for you to try to do. All right, this is it, and talk to you in the next video.